We have heard avocado tree, avocado fruit. This belongs to cinnamon family, Lauraceae, and avocado botanically identified as Persea americana. So this is cultivated in America, especially in Mexico. Fruit is highly nutritional. It is rich in fats, 30% fats are there, and mostly mono unsaturated fat. That is very good for health, for heart care, and to build the immunity. It is rich in antioxidants, so anti-aging also. Persea americana is a tree with fragrant aromatic leaves, which is the character of the mostly all the members of Lauraceae, cinnamon family. In J&K we also have the Persea, which is found in Tricuta Hills, which is found in Dera Ki Gali, Boflias, also in Poond on way to Bani. These trees previously they were called as Machylus, now shifted to the new genus Persea. So what species we have, this is called Persea Dathii, named after a Dathi, a known superintendent of Saharanpur Botanical Gardens who visited Kashmir also. He was a passionate about taxonomy. So after, in his honor, the tree is named as Persea Dathii. Local people in Poonch area and Riasi area, Katra, they call it as Chandra, and the twigs, leaves are lopped as fodder for the cattle, and its purplish black fruits are eaten by many birds, especially the barbets. In Uttarakhand, we have another species of Persea, which is called as Persea odoratissima. One of the character of these Persea species is they have the subterminal flower panicles. They are not terminal but subterminal. In case of Persea Dathii, which we find in Jammu and Kashmir, the panicles are little hairy, but in case of odoratissima, which is found in Gadwal, Mussoorie area, it has little pubescence. This is without pubescence, that is, they are smooth panicles in case of odoratissima. Another leaf is also a bit larger, and then flowers are brilliant yellow, and panicle is comparatively lax. It is not that compact, but in case of Persea Dathii, we find subterminal panicle of flowers, compact ones. The flowers are basically arranged on the trimerous petal, means sepals and petals are indistinguishable, so they are called as tepals. Number is 6, and likewise in multiple of 3, trimerous flower architecture, so stamens are also 9, and they too are arranged in 2-3 series, and in sometimes even 4th series of staminodes, non-functional sterile stamens is also found. In South India, along the Western Ghats, we have another species, Persea, which is called a Persea macrantha, and in Tamil language it is called as Kaulo Mava. In Malayalam also the similar name. Persea odoratissima is called as Kaulo in Uttarakhand, whereas Persea macrantha, which is found in South India, Western Ghats, is known as Kaulo Mava. Again, leaves are pleasant smelling, aromatic. They are arranged spirally on the twigs. These trees, whether it is Persea Dathii we find in Tricuta Hills, or it is Dathia, this Persea odoratissima found in Uttarakhand, or Persea macrantha found in Western Ghats, all they are the evergreen aromatic trees and very closely related to avocado. avocado of America, which is Persea americana. So we have the wild relatives of avocado, though avocado fruit is sold in the markets, but it is not native to India, it is native to America, especially the Mexico. And the fruit has many health benefits, so it is very highly priced fruit. Even cost reaches up to 1000 rupees per kg. Fruits look like a pear, and it is also known as Persea americana avocado, also known as alligator pear. We have other species closely related to avocado in America. One is Persea bovina, which is also called as marsh bay, and another species which we find in America is Persea palustris, which is also called as marsh bay. And one threatened species of Persea found in America, Central America, is Persea skydiana, which is threatened Persea. Among all these Perseas, only one Persea is found in Africa, that too near western Morocco, that is Persea indica. Some of these Perseas are also found in Southeast Asia, in China, Japan. One is Persea japonica, which is found in China and Japan. These fruits, especially the wild Persea fruits, are also eaten by many birds, and national bird of Guatemala, quetzal, resplendent quetzal, is also very fond of eating the fruits of wild Persea related to Persea americana avocado, which is the cultivated one. So this unique evergreen aromatic tree, genus Persea, is represented in India also, in the Himalayas, and it is found in Jammu and Kashmir also. Due to road building and other activities in the mountains, some of these trees stands felled, removed. So it is recommended that these plants, lesser known or difficult to germinate also, need to be multiplied in forest nurseries and be included in the afforestation program, so that the germplasm is preserved for posterity.